Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. In this channel, we talk about skincare, we talk about lifestyle, we talk about DIY and a lot more. So guys, please welcome to my channel. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's video, I'm going to show you Luminous Lightening Lotion. This Luminous Lightening Lotion will make your skin very flawless and also even tone. So guys, please get a clean sanitized bowl, and our first ingredient will be our Make Me White lotion. Yes guys, Make Me White lotion is very good lotion. Yes, it's a fade milk. So please, you are going to get one of these Make Me White filled milk. Make Me White fade milk, please guys. Then you get your Make Me White tube. We are going to get 2 of it. Please get the blue one, not the black one. Get Make Me White, the blue one, not the black one, the anti-spot one. Please get 2 of it. This one is anti-spot. It clears dark spot. So if you are having a dark spot, you can also use it to clear it out. So we are going to get 2 of this one. After getting this one, then you get your Oliver tube or Skin Good. Please, this one you are going to get Oliver tube or Skin Good. If you get Skin Good, fine. If you get Oliver, fine. This one is optional. Please, you are going to get one of it, one piece of it, only one of it. Okay, this one is anti-reactions tube. That's the reason why we are adding. Some of us, when we use lotion, we'll be itching and also getting skin reactions. So that's the reason why we are using. After getting all this one, then they get your half caste oil. I'm using the SS White half caste oil. This oil contains vitamin B3. Yes, and it is very good half caste oil. This oil, we are going to get two of it, 2 or 1, please. Yes, and also Magic Derma tube, Magic Derma oil, guys. Sorry, Magic Derma oil. You are going to get 1 full bottle. Magic Derma oil is very good oil for skin tone. Yes, it will give you that uniform skin tone, and also it will treat your skin. So for Magic Derma is very good serum or oil. Is very good. So guys, after getting all these things, let me show you the procedure. Get a clean sanitized bowl. After getting the clean sanitized bowl, scoop your Make Me White lotion into the bowl. After scooping the lotion, please add in your tubes and mix it. Add in your tubes and mix it very well. Yes, please stir it very well. After stirring it very well, then you add in your oils. That's the SS White half caste and also Magic Derma oil or Magic Derma serum. Then you mix it very well. Please make sure to mix it very well. After mixing it very well, then you get a clean container or a clean bottle, and you scoop your lotion into the bottle. That's your Luminous Whitening Body Lotion. Simple as ABCD. And bring your testimony after doing it. Okay guys, please don't forget to bring me your testimony. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. I love you guys. Please support your girl. Bye.